Stamper, and if you saw my video yesterday, you will see that I got this book on Amazon. I did put the link below in that video, but I'll put it in this one as well in case you wanted to get one. But we're going to do a plan with me using these stickers. And I am not going to really, well, I might. I was going to say I'm not really going to use any of my Happy Planner stickers, but there is a chance I will, only because I also need to do some appointments. So just because, yeah, I'll definitely be using some of these, but we'll see. We will see. But my plan is for right now to use these, and I wanted to use a pink that's in here. So pretty. Some of these pink. Look at how pretty that is. And I just think it is gorgeous. So these are stickers. It says it's 50 pieces, but I think it's more like 50 pages is what they were meaning. But I just want to use these stickers, and I'm going to end up putting them in areas. Look at how pretty that is on there. I got to show you up close. So pretty. So I'm going to go over here. And get another sticker. We'll put one right here. Just so pretty. Now I do still have plenty of appointments that I'm going to have, so everything's not going to be filled this week. I'm going to have plenty of white space. So you do have to be careful that you don't tear these stickers, because it is a very thin paper sticker. So I did have a little piece there that I wasn't very careful. That's how I just found out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right here, and then I'm going to lay it flat, and no one's the wiser. So there we go. And then I'm going to take this guy here. Well, I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to put that one down here. And you'll see that they overlay very nicely. And then I'm also going to take this. I'm going to take this one. And again, overlay that right here. Just like that. I'm going to take a couple of these butterflies. And what I love about this is, like I said, in my video when I was showing this, I love that you can just kind of pick a page like we're doing here and be able to showcase that whole page, and it's going to make a great spread. You don't have to do much thinking. So if you don't think you have that eye, this just makes it easy for you. And we'll get a butterfly going that way. So pretty. Now, I'm going to look over here and see. I think I'm going to, I don't want to put a bridge, but I think I want to put this. I don't want to put another waterfall. So I'm going to take this. I'm trying to find the best area. It looks like right here. There we go. It's hard to see, so you kind of just have to look on the back to see where it may be a best place to peel. I'm going to bring this one, and we're going to put this right here. And you guys, I might be done. Look at how pretty that is. We will see. I'm going to check out this area over here that had a couple. Oh yeah, this was a beautiful one. But yeah, I think I will. I think I'll use this one. Okay, this one looks a little different. It is. Ooh, this is kind of scary. And I'll tell you why I think it's scary, because it's 2 parts. And I'm going to do it right here rather than going all the way up there, because I have things that I have to do in the morning and in the afternoon. So that just leaves that. And look, it kind of looks like you're going to go up through the walkway, and then you're going to go and have a nice visit by your porch. So there we go. It's quick. It's easy. I probably will add some little couple of things in here. But let me see. Let me see if I... Since you are so lovely. Bring on the weekend. But this is what I'm kind of looking for. Yeah, these colors don't really go perfectly, so I'm gonna set it off a little bit. There you go. When it's further away, you can't really tell as much. And then I'm looking to see if I have any. Sorry if you can hear people in the background. So I'm not in the craft room, as you can see. And I've got a door open. All kinds. I love this Seek Joy. Okay, that doesn't have one, so we're going to look in another one. This is fun and crafty, but I'm just going to flip through real quick, see if it kind of has what I'm looking for. This says this and that. And then for here, I'm going to move and put that over here and let it let's see, more ideas. So pretty. Now if I could just find no, I think what I'll do is use maybe something like that. I don't think so. All right, let's look real quick through. I'm gonna flip. Let's flip through this one. This is a mail call. Oh, see, there we go. That's something that I could use. Okay, this one says send the note. So that is awesome because I could just put that on an area where I'm going to get some mail out. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. This is a nice purple. Okay. And then I'm going to do one more. And I will do that attached to this one. Just like that. All right, I'm just scooping through here real quick. I think I'm, for the most part, done. I do have an appointment. There we go. And I said I was going to be done, but now I'm looking at all the cute little things that could go in here. So, all right, I am done. And right here where it says send the note, I'm just going to put that little guy right there. Okay, I am done. No more stickers being added. Let's see. Sorry about that. My holder is going crazy. So there we go. That is my spread. Let me know if you like it. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. And again, if you like this guy, look in the description. I'll put the Amazon link on there. And now I'm going to be using that to make an ATC card soon too. So, all right, beauties, if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like my videos. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.
You like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and hit that